Welcome back to Multi-Mind, Mental Wellness for the Multi-Hyphenate. I'm your host, Artis Desjardins, and today we're getting into something that sits right at the intersection of identity and operations, which is exactly where this show lives. The experience of showing up for different clients who need fundamentally different things for you, different energy, different expertise, different communication style, different professional identity entirely. And doing all of that while managing other ventures and your 9 to 5. This is the context switching challenge at its most human, and it has a solution most consultants never find because they never named the problem correctly. About a year into my consulting practice, I had a day that forced me to build something I didn't know I needed. I had a consultation in the morning with the client who was early stage, high emotional, and needed me to be part strategic and part grounding presence. A lot of listening and a lot of validation alongside strategic thinking. I finished that session and had 90 minutes before another consultation with the client who was a seasoned operator and patient with process and needed me to come in with decisive opinions and challenge their assumptions directly. Completely different energy, completely different role, completely different professional identity. I showed up to the second session still partially in the first one, too explanatory where I needed to be decisive. The session was fine, but I was not at my best work, and the client felt that. The version of me that showed up was the wrong one for that session. That experience is what built what I now call the identity transition protocol. The neuroscience of this is worth understanding because it validates what you're experiencing. When you engage in complex interpersonal and strategic work, your brain builds a context model for the interaction. It loads the client's background, your relationship history, the appropriate communication style, your role in the dynamic. That context model does not disappear when the session ends. It persists in working memory for 30 to 60 minutes after a complex interpersonal engagement. For multi-hyphenate switching between different client relationships, different ventures, and different professional identities throughout the week, that persistence creates what researchers call interference. The previous context interferes with the new one, and the result is a version of you that is slightly misaligned with the current situation needs. This is a cognitive architecture issue, and once you understand it that way, you can build systems to address it. Now, this framework has 4 components that addresses the multi-hyphenate context switching challenge at both the practical and psychological level. Component 1 is the client profile card. For every active client relationship, create a client profile card. This is a one-page reference document with 4 sections. First, the client's primary orientation. Are they analytical and data-driven, intuitive and vision-led, or collaborative and process-oriented? This tells you how to frame your thinking and communication. Second, your role in this specific relationship. Are you primarily a strategic advisor, a challenge partner, a structured framework or provider, or a grounding presence? Third, is the communication register for this client direct and concise, detailed and thorough, or exploratory and conversational? Fourth, the energy they bring and the energy they need from you. Do they come in high energy and need you to match and then focus them? Or do they come in overwhelmed and need you to be calm and structured? Reviewing this card for 5 minutes before every session activates the right version of you before you get on the call. It replaces the passive and unreliable process of hoping you naturally shift into the right mode. Component 2, the identity reset window. Between client sessions or between different types of venture work, you need a deliberate identity reset window. The identity reset window is 15 minutes with a specific sequence. The first 5 minutes are for closing the previous context. Write down where the session ended, what was resolved, and what is still open, and 1 sentence about how it went. This writes the context out of working memory into the document. The next 5 minutes are a physical state change. Change your physical environment if possible. The physical state change signals to your nervous system that the previous context is complete. The final 5 minutes are for activating the new context. Review the client profile card for the next engagement, read your notes from previous interactions with that client, and set your intentions for the session. This sequence reduces interference between contexts and improves the quality of your presence in every subsequent engagement. Component 3, the multi-identity integration framework. This is the deeper challenge that the protocol addresses on the surface, but does not fully resolve. When you're regularly shifting between multiple professional identities, there's a psychological cost. The question that builds underneath all of this is, who am I actually? Am I the strategic advisor, the educator, the consultant, the 9 to 5 employee, the content creator? The answer that sustains us multi-hyphenates over the long term is the integrated identity. The recognition that all of these roles are expressions of a coherent core, not competing identities being juggled. Your integration identity as a multi-hyphenate is the through line. You are someone who helps people and organizations think more clearly and build more intentionally. Every role you play is a different context for that same core orientation. When you can hold that integrated identity, the context switching becomes less psychologically costly because you're not switching between different selves. You're expressing the same self in different contexts. Component 4, the weekly identity audit. The weekly identity audit is a 10-minute practice done during your weekly shutdown ritual that monitors the psychological cost of identity switching across the week. 3 questions. 1, which role or client relationship felt most aligned with your integrated identity this week? 2, which felt most misaligned or most costly to inhabit? 3, what does the answer tell you about where your next session of client development should focus? This audit keeps you aware of which types of client work energize you and which deplete you, so that your business grows and you can make informed decisions about what kind of engagements you take on. It also prevents the gradual drift that happens to many multi-hyphenates over time, where they keep taking on more of the depleting work and less of the energizing work until they look up and realize their business has evolved into a direction they never chose. This week, create client profile cards for every active client relationship. If you don't currently have active clients, create a template based on your ideal client types. For each card, fill in all 4 sections: primary orientation, your role in the relationship, communication register, and the energy dynamic. Then schedule your first identity reset window between your next 2 different context work sessions. Use the 15-minute sequence and notice how different your presence feels in the second session compared to sessions where you made no deliberate transition. Now, I want you to know and understand you're not failing when you show up as slightly the wrong version of yourself in a client session. You are experiencing a design problem that has a different solution. Build the systems, run the protocol, and you will show up as the right version more consistently than you ever have. Now, next week, we are getting into one of the most operational, important frameworks of the season: building systems that work even when your energy does not. If you want to be a part of the show, go to multimindpodcast.com and send me a voice note or a message. Tell me how you currently transition between different client contexts or different venture modes throughout your week and what that shift actually looks like for you right now. Keep it under 60 seconds. Subscribe so you don't miss next week. Leave a rating or review if this episode gave you something useful. It helps other multi-hyphenates find the show. And share this with someone who is building multiple ventures and needs to hear it. For more business content, head to my YouTube channel at Artis Desjardins. Link is in the show notes. And if you want to work together one-on-one, visit artisdesjardins.com. Your mental wellness does not have a side hustle. It's the main event. I'm your host, Artis Desjardins, and this is Multi-Mind. I'll see you next week.